Hi everyone, this is the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to be looking at the database Points of View Reference Center by Ebscohost. As you can see, I have the website up already, which is edisonpubliclibrary.org, and when you open your internet browser, you're going to type in that address and it's going to bring you to this home page. So from there, what I'm going to do is hover my mouse over the Research tab, and it's going to drop down and I'm going to click on databases. So from there, I'm going to scroll until I can find the Ebscohost Database. And what I will do is click Access Now. There is a ton of different things that Ebscohost provides, a lot of different types of databases, but today we're going to be looking specifically at the Points of View Reference Center. So you're going to scroll until you see it, and it is the third one down. So you can use this reference center to find books, periodicals, journal articles, newspaper on any topic. It is a really great resource for students, teachers, or somebody that's interested in learning more of a topic. So I'm going to just click on this and we're going to get right into it. All right, so this is the home page. As you can see, there is a lot going on here. The first thing I do suggest is to create an account. By creating an account, you are able to save the articles and save the whatever you're looking at to a folder. And in the folders, you can create specific ones based on what you're looking for. But this is really good in case you ever need to go back to what you were looking at and not have to research through everything. So you can see there's a bunch of tabs on tops. You can look by publications, you can look by subjects, video images, and by indexes. So what this offers is different points of view. So you can look at an article on any topic, and it will also give you the counter point of the article, so the counter argument. This is really good for anybody who's interested in debating on a topic or learning more information about a topic. As you can see, the first thing that they show here is what's currently in the news. So you can scroll through that and take a look, or you can look by categories. It gives you all different types of categories, and there's a ton of different links throughout them. You can play around, look through them, see what you're looking for exactly. I'm going to actually look at this link right here. So it's concussions in pro sports. I'm just going to click on that. And it's going to bring me to an article based on concussions in pro sports. So this is what it would look like when you first click on something. As you can see, this is a really great article. It gives you a lot of information, background history, all different things about concussions today, whatever you're looking for, and the bibliography. But another really great thing about this website is that you can click this button, listen, and it will actually read to you the article. So if you are currently busy doing something or you're driving and you want to listen to the article, it's really good to have this feature. It will read through the whole article. But then you can see on the side there's related items. So it also gives you points that are similar to what this article is about and a counterpoint against what the article is about. So it's a really, really cool database that gives you both sides of the story. You can search also by typing anything right here, something that you're interested in, or you can do your advanced search, which gives you more options to search from. Such as phrases, different topics, publication date, all different stuff, document type, even Lexile level it will give you. So this is a really good resource if you are doing any kind of research and you want to find out multiple points of an article. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day.